First policy type is firewall. This is what controls outbound connectivity from your endpoints. That's why the allow all outbound policy that is default is a firewall policy. And we're saying in that policy, just allow everything outbound. So it's done by specifying things like a BPF filter. So if you don't know BPF filter, it's a very human-friendly way of specifying what you'd like to capture or what type of traffic you'd like to match. In this case, you could say something like, TCP port 443, so for HTTPS traffic, but you could also go, host google.com, like things like that. So the firewall policy allows you to specify what you want to be able to go out or what you want to block. So the is allow true means let this go outbound. If you specify an is allow false, this will reject specifically traffic. So when traffic goes through LimaCharlie Net, we look at all the firewall policies. If no policies match, as I mentioned, it's blocked. If a policy allows it, it'll go through. However, if any policies says block, it will get blocked. So the block operation has precedence over the other ones. So it's easy then to say allow everything, but any traffic going to 3322.org, I want to block.